I'm breathing. I know it took a while. Been looking for a sweet song, a sign of spring. Waiting for a reason to laugh, to sing. 'Cause I've been spending all my time to figure out just how I've been spending way too many thoughts on what went wrong. Goes up must come down. Is what goes up finally must come down. Hey, at last I'm standing. I know it could be worse. I know it could be broken. We could be crushed. And every word I've spoken could have been my last to you. Instead of spending all my time to figure why you're gone, I've come to this conclusion. In the end, what's done is done. 'Cause what goes up will come down. Yes, what goes up finally will come down. What goes up will come down. Yes, what goes up will come down. What goes up will come down. Yes, what goes up finally will come down.
우회전 taking a ride to Jonah Lake. 눈치 보면서 들어가야 할 때 찾아. 나머진 바빠 개설레임 바꾸는 사람들. 시간만 지나가 자신감 가지고 해와 그냥 천천히 들어가야 해. 어쩔 때는 무작정 들이밀기만 하지만 그런 거랑 차이가 있어 baby. 동선을 타고 난 날아올라 yeah. 동선을 타고 난 날아올라 yeah. 동선을 타고 난 날아올라 yeah. 동선을 타고 난 날아올라. 하고 싶었던 번쯤이 다 골라 어디든 갈 거야 수박은 바다 그저 그랬던 풍경들이 이제 보니까 아름다운 느린 걸음걸이 음식은 그냥 주전부리 여유 있으면 더 충분히 행복해 미소가 지어져 오늘은 한편의 동화를 썼음해 풍선을 타고 난 날아올라 풍선을 타고 난 날아올라 풍선을 타고 난 날아올라 풍선을 타고 난 날아올라 이제부터 좀 달라질 거야 Maybe I don't know 처음부터 알고 있던 거야 I feel it 풍선을 타고 난 날아올라 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 풍선을 타고 난 날아올라
Just pulled up to the house. Don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a cut. I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with the negativity, with that broke mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter. Do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics. Do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a cut, put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that. Jump on my back, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better